Hey everyone, welcome back to Best Product, your go-to channel for trusted tech reviews. Today, we're checking out the best digital voice recorder on the market, the SMDZ Digital Voice Recorder. Whether you're a student, journalist, or creative, this might just be the recording tool you need. We'll cover its top features, pros, cons, and our final thoughts. Let's get started. Product features. Hi-Fi lossless sound quality. One of the standout features of the SMDZ digital voice recorder is its Hi-Fi lossless sound recording capability. Recording at 1536 kbps PCM linear quality, this device captures audio in near studio-level fidelity. Whether you're recording vocals, instruments, or spoken word, the clarity and depth of the sound is truly impressive. Flexible memory options. The recorder comes with built-in memory, but also supports expandable TF cards, giving users the freedom to choose the right storage solution for their needs. If you're planning to record hours of high-quality audio or store large files, you won't run into limitations. Voice control recording. Another smart feature is voice-activated recording. This means the device automatically begins recording when it detects sound and pauses during silence. It's ideal for hands-free usage in interviews, surveillance, or classroom settings. Long battery life. Equipped with a large capacity battery, the SMDZ recorder supports up to 40 hours of continuous recording on a single charge. This ensures peace of mind during long sessions, without worrying about running out of power. Automatic file saving. We've all feared losing files due to sudden power loss. Not a concern here. This recorder comes with automatic file saving during low battery situations and safely shuts down to prevent data loss. Durable build quality. The recorder features a sleek aluminum alloy body that doesn't just look premium but also resists daily wear and tear. Whether you carry it in your pocket, bag, or case, it's built to last. Pros. Crystal clear audio with 1536 kilobits per second PCM for detailed sound. Expandable storage with TF card support for longer use. Hands-free operation with smart voice activation. Excellent battery life with up to 40 hours of recording. Reliable autosave to protect files during low battery. Rugged design with durable aluminum alloy casing. Cons: no Bluetooth or wireless features for modern connectivity. Small display may be limiting for some users. Basic interface that could be more intuitive and refined. Final thoughts. Overall, the SMDZ digital voice recorder delivers an excellent balance of high-quality sound, durable design, and smart features at a reasonable price. Whether you're a student recording lectures, a journalist capturing interviews, or a musician jotting down creative ideas, this device is more than capable. Its powerful recording quality, voice activation, and impressive battery life make it a top pick in the digital recorder category, especially for those who prioritize performance and reliability without breaking the bank. Don't forget to check out the price link in the description if you're considering purchasing one. And of course, subscribe to Best Product for more tech reviews and buying guides just like this. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.